OpenAI is quietly pushing what insiders are calling agentic AI. That means AI that doesn't just respond to you, it actually completes tasks for you from start to finish. Imagine giving a single command like build me a website, deploy it, and market it. And the AI just does everything. No step-by-step guidance, no babysitting. This is automation at a completely different level. And here's the real shift. This changes AI from a tool into a worker. Not something you use, something that works for you. Businesses are already testing this for coding, operations, and even decision-making. The result? Entire workflows collapsing into a single command. Now, while OpenAI is building AI that acts, Google is doing something even more subtle. They're trying to make AI invisible. Reports suggest future Android systems will not require you to open apps at all. You won't search, tap, switch, or navigate. You'll just say what you want, and the AI will handle everything across apps behind the scenes. Think about that. No more app-based interface, no more scrolling, just intent, execution. This could completely kill how we currently use smartphones. The entire UI layer might disappear. But this is where things get intense. The European Union just stepped in and told Google, you cannot lock this ecosystem. They're forcing Android to open up to multiple AI assistants. That means users might soon choose between different AIs the same way we choose browsers today. This is huge, because whoever controls the default AI assistant controls user behavior, data, and ultimately the entire digital economy. This is not just regulation. This is a direct hit on Google's future dominance. Meanwhile, in China, something equally big is happening. DeepSeek has launched new AI models running on Huawei chips instead of NVIDIA. That might sound technical, but it's actually geopolitical. It means China is actively reducing dependence on US hardware. Translation? The AI race is no longer just about companies, it's about countries. And now, we have two parallel ecosystems forming, one led by the US, one by China. This is the beginning of a global AI split. And while all of this is happening in software, Meta is going in a completely different direction, physical AI. They're investing heavily into robotics, not chatbots, not assistants, actual machines powered by AI that can interact with the real world. This is where things get real. Because once AI enters robotics, it's no longer limited to screens. It can move, build, replace labor, and operate in physical environments. That changes industries like manufacturing, logistics, and even everyday services. But behind all these headlines, there's one hidden battle most people are missing: compute. AI is getting insanely expensive to run. In China, high-end AI servers are reportedly hitting around $1 million per unit due to shortages and restrictions. That means power in AI is not just about intelligence, it's about infrastructure. Chips, GPUs, data centers. Whoever controls compute controls AI. And right now, demand is exploding faster than supply. This is why companies are shifting focus. It's no longer just build AI. Now it's how do we control it, scale it, and afford it. Enterprises are suddenly worried about cost, governance, and risk, because deploying AI at scale is not cheap and not simple. At the same time, governments are starting to panic, not about technology, but about impact. A new global initiative led by major city leaders is forming to manage AI's effect on jobs, economy, and public systems. That's a signal. AI is no longer a future problem. It's a current disruption. Cities are preparing for workforce changes, automation shocks, and policy challenges right now. So if you zoom out for a second, here's what's really happening beneath all these updates. AI is moving from assistant to autonomous agent. Interfaces are disappearing, replaced by intent-based execution. Big tech is fighting for ecosystem control. Governments are stepping in aggressively. And compute infrastructure is becoming the ultimate bottleneck. This is not evolution. This is a shift in how the digital world operates. And here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people are still thinking about AI like it's ChatGPT answering questions, while companies are building AI that replaces entire workflows. The gap between perception and reality is growing fast. The next phase of AI will not be about who uses it, but who controls it, integrates it, and scales it. Because once AI can act independently, integrate across systems, and operate in both digital and physical environments, it stops being software. it becomes infrastructure. And the people who understand this early will be the ones who benefit the most from what's coming next.